As an attorney that has represented injured persons throughout Ohio for the past 23 years, I'm often asked, how can I afford to hire an attorney in my injury claim? That's a good question, and I can understand it. I represent people that have been in serious accidents. They may be in the hospital, they may be incurring medical bills, they may not be able to work. So they naturally may wonder, how am I going to be able to obtain an attorney? The answer is that in most injury claims, I'm willing to take the case under a contingent fee agreement if it's a claim that I believe is viable and I can help. This means that I do not get paid until the case is over and only if I'm able to help. If you have an injury claim that's caused by someone else's negligence and you're concerned about your ability to pay for an attorney, please feel free to call me. I can discuss a contingent fee agreement on your case. You can reach me at 1-800-932-2928. I'm extension number 2.